A new apartment. Emma had just moved into a small apartment in a quiet neighborhood. It wasn't big, it wasn't modern, but it was peaceful. Every morning she opened the window, made a cup of coffee, and watched people walking outside. Across the street, there was another apartment building. On the second floor lived an old woman. Every morning, exactly at 8 o'clock, the woman stood by the window. She never smiled. She never waved. She just looked outside. Emma thought it was a little strange, but she didn't think much about it. Every single day, after 1 week, Emma noticed something unusual. The old woman always wore the same blue sweater. Every day. Rain or sunshine, Monday or Sunday. Always the same sweater. Emma laughed. Maybe it's her favorite. But another week passed. Nothing changed. The woman stood at the same window, at the same time, wearing the same sweater, looking at the street. Emma became curious. The coffee shop. One afternoon, Emma visited a small coffee shop near her apartment. The owner smiled. "You are new here?" "Yes, I moved here 2 weeks ago." "Do you like the neighborhood?" "I do." Then Emma asked, "Who is the old woman across the street?" The owner's smile disappeared. "Oh, Mrs. Carter." "Is she okay?" The owner looked outside for a moment. "She has been waiting for someone. A secret." Emma couldn't stop thinking about those words. Waiting for someone? Who? The next morning, she watched again. The woman stood by the window, exactly at 8. Emma decided to visit her. She bought some flowers, walked across the street, knocked on the door. No answer. She knocked again. Slow footsteps came closer. The door opened. The old woman smiled softly. "You must be my new neighbor." Tea and memories. Inside the apartment, everything was clean. Old photographs covered the walls. One picture showed a young soldier. Another showed a smiling family. Emma pointed at the soldier. "Is that your husband?" Mrs. Carter smiled. "Yes. He loved this neighborhood." "What happened?" "He went away many years ago." "Did he come back?" The woman looked at the window. "No." "The truth," Mrs. Carter explained. Many years earlier, her husband had gone to war. Before leaving, he made one promise. If I ever come home, you'll see me from your window." He never returned. But every morning, for 40 years, Mrs. Carter stood by that window. Not because she believed he would come, but because she wanted to keep his promise alive. Emma felt tears in her eyes.